Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Gary here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now most people that use My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, but be only using one. I'm only showing the results of one because this is beginner friendly. This is for you guys to just kind of skeet in and see if it works without much risk, and it's just the straight up laziest way to make money online, period. So if you're interested in following along, links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell because only 20% of you guys are subscribed. And we'll get started. All right, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting a $25 business in general. And it's because of its affiliate system. Its affiliate system is fantastic. 80% recurring income is fantastic. That's the highest I ever heard, period, ever. And it's the highest by a large amount. All right, guys, it's 80% recurring. You get paid every single month, 80%. That's unheard of. You expect like maybe 40%. That's the highest I heard before this, 40% every month. And most though, what they do is they'll have it be like 50% when you get the sale initially, then drop down to like 25% or 20% every month, something like that. But you stick with 80% recurring income throughout the whole thing. That's just why this is so beautiful. All right, and the product to promote this year. All right, 2023. So let's look at our results here. We're gonna refresh the page, show real results. All right, now it looks like we did get a sale yesterday.
Nice.
Now that's pretty cool right there. We got a sale yesterday, a brand new sale. Dude, that was not a rebuild. Most of the money I make now are rebuilds at this point because I got a lot of people in the system. But I did get a new sale today here, so that's fantastic. So this is what we're gonna do, guys, and I want to show you guys exactly how to do this. First off, you need to get your affiliate link. You gotta get your affiliate link from here, right? So the first thing I need you guys to do, hold on, let me go to my channel. First, you want to be on my channel, on my video here. Here. So we're gonna go to my channel here real quick. Click on one of the videos. All right. So first off, you want to go to my description here. It's gonna say step 1 right here. 25 all-in-one business. You want to click on that. Once you click on that, it's gonna take you to this page here. You take it to this page here, you go through, it just essentially talks about how much money you can make with $25 business and all the numbers and all that good stuff. A whole bunch of stuff come with it, all that good stuff, right? All right, so blah blah. So anyway, you decide you want in. All right, so you click on that, you get in right here. So all you do is put in your information, purchase the product. I recommend clicking this as well for the 14-day free trial on the HBA Premium here, and yeah, keep it going here. So first off, what I want to say here, why I say I want to talk about the HBA Premium, it's basically traffic and conversion. It teaches you how to make sales and stuff and set up ads for this particular product and stuff like that. And it's very, very well done, and it's constantly updated. But anyway, guys, it's $125 per month after 2 weeks for free. Now the reason why you want to get this is the main reason why you want to get this. All right, guys, you only get commissions from products you own. All right, so this is where I get my $100 commissions from, because I own the $25. I own the HBA Premium. All right, so for example, if you were to come through here, don't get this right here, the HBA Premium, click on it, complete order, blah, right? And then you get somebody in the system, they decide they want this, the HBA Premium. All right, they decide they want it, so they purchase the product. And you know, once they pay the $120, you'll get the $20 from the $25 they pay for the $25 business, but you will not get the $100 from the $125 here. I want to make sure I clarify that, and that's the main issue. That's the main reason why you want this product. All right, so you can get commissions off of it and escalate your sales to a much higher degree. Because I get $100 sales all the time now. So $100, not even sales, $100 rebuilds. Like people are paying $100 every month to me. It's a couple of people doing that. It's like 6 or 7, I don't know. But anyway, guys, you want that. So once you do that, you're gonna sign in. You're gonna get to this point here. You're gonna sign into your members area here. Get to this. You sign in, blah blah blah, and then you're gonna get to a page that looks something like this. And what you want to do, you want to click on the affiliate zone if you're not already on the affiliate zone. By the way, it's a video explaining all of this, but I'm just doing like a fast version of it for you guys. Once you do that, you want to sign up for the affiliate program here, and you see him, very basic information to sign up to the affiliate program. And once you do that, you log into your SAM card. It's going to take you to this here, guys. Very, very simple, very easy. And once you on this in particular, you got your link. This is the particular link that I use. You can use any link you want, but this is the one I use and get my sales from. So this is the one that works for me. So yeah, you done. And that's all it is to it, guys. Very, very simple, very easy process. So once you do that, guys, it's all about promoting this in My Lead Gen Secrets. So what you want to do after you get your link is go to here and you see step 2. Step 2 is join My Lead Gen Secrets. So anyway, you're gonna click on that. It's gonna take you to a page or something like this. Now in this video, he talks about the My Lead Gen Secrets, but TLDR is you get 100 leads. You get 100 leads every single day that you can mail once a day. You can't overload them with mail. Only you can mail them once a day. All right. But you get leads. You collectively get leads every single day. You get 100 leads. Tomorrow you'll get another 100 leads. Next day you get another 100 leads, like that. So it's a very cool system, and the coolest thing about it is that all of these leads are interested in making money online. So these are very, very perfect for the product that we're promoting here, which is all about making money online. So anyway, guys, so we're gonna log in here, and you make your account. It's a very simple process. You don't did it before. And yeah, so once you get into the system here, you can click on your lead, check your leads if you want to, or you can get the master email swipes if you want to. I show you my swipes that I use, but you can get those if you want to. It's not it doesn't make a bigger difference. Anyway, we're gonna click on mailing system here, and we're gonna set up another email here. We're gonna click all our leads here. We're gonna click on the next email, but I want to check something here. I want to check what, like, I just want to make sure I got my math right here. That's all. 820 very much. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just go to my next email, because I remember picking like just random numbers, so I'm gonna just try to make it a little bit more congruent. 820 made 150, 970, so I should have hit 970 right here. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys a chance to copy this email here. So there you go, you copy the title right there, and then you could just copy this email as I pause it, and you can copy it. Very easy and simple. So pause, copy, pause, copy. All right, that's it. That's all there is to it. Very simple email. And then you put your link right here. Today is the day to start making money. As you see here, you want to click on perfect timing. You click on perfect timing. What it does is, when you send the email, it'll wait until people are ready to check the email. So you check yours at 8 o'clock every morning. It'll send the email around then, so you end up on top of the list. There's a better chance of them checking it, right, guys? So always click on perfect timing. And also make sure to preview your email and make sure the link works. Make sure the link in it works. All right, guys, mine works. I just checked it, so we're gonna send an email and we are done. That's all it takes, guys. Very simple process, like I stated before. Very easy to understand, and like I stated before, it's the laziest way to make money online for sure. Like, you will make money doing this, guys. Like, it's just working for me so well. So I figured, and I barely do anything. Like, I just send an email every morning around 5 o'clock. Wake up at 5, send the email. That's all I do. That's all I do. I make these videos for you guys as well. And tell you the truth, I only gotten about 2 or 3 sales from YouTube. So all of these sales are from this. So I'm just showing you guys how to do it. I personally would make YouTube videos about it just to have another source of income when it really starts flowing. And that's all there is to it, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.